Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win.
Ang ganda ng ano pa, oh.
The real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad.
Yan ang trabaho mama.
Ha?
Yun.
Saan? Sa taas?
Spider ba? Kakatapos.
Umano din sa ano ko, sa damit.
Nung event na yon,
Hindi, nagpalit siguro sila green naman. Nalitan na nila ng green. Anong tawag dyan pa, paragliding?
may mga restaurant tayo dyan. Uy,
Kadlok po din nga na, oy.
nakarang di nag...
Arita diri pa tanaw ta.
Sabi mo nag-post ka na, pupunta tayo?
Hindi, yung sa ano, Camel, yung sakay ka. May entrance ba dito? Dito pala tong pak.
Mangka makita ano eh. Oh, eh. Ngita tagbaki. Ngita tagwan. Puts.
Mag-chasing na lang ako sa mga building na magaganda.
Building na.
Pwede na tayo maglakaw diha. Tugtuga.
Wow.
Hindot lighting diha. I-mix mo nga to.
Ngita tag. Ay?
Bakit ay? Asa mag-istruan ning kuan ay kutsara o na? Ayaw mo pansit? O lagyan mo dyan.
Iya kan tagaan. Danay mo na.
Ah, may uli.
Ha?
Ang may uli. Kundi hotdog.
Alam nyo nito.
Hmm?
Gaya nyo. Saan na?
Saan ni isda? Ay. Saan ni pa? Saan ni kuhol? Kuray kuhol. Ano-ano na lang talagang pinagkaka... Pwede hikapon? Magutro-tro na ba yung color? Yung violet. Ambot.
Ayaw mo umilaw.
Ha? First time kong makarinig ng ganong ano, tunog. Lang adyo sa kubya eh. Nakalimot naman ko.
No internet.
Kinindo tog lighting dire. Ah, may W Hotel.
Kana.
Diha mo naglinis? Ang daming bato ni Ding. Nindot sa mga building ay.